Welcome back. So in this section, which is really the start of the course, I'll just take a brief introduction again. Although we have done the entire course overview section wise in the last section, which was just an introduction to the course and nothing else. However, this will be a good idea to remind you all about what is there to come in terms of the lectures. So let's see what are the contents. The lectures are again what is a NoSQL database and why they are needed. So in this topic, in this lecture, I will introduce you first to the NoSQL database concept and then tell you why they are needed. And I will also compare them with the NoSQL, with the relational database such as Microsoft SQL or Oracle, which are the traditional RDBMS or relational database management system. And I will also tell you how the NoSQL database has its own uses, particularly in big data or data analytics. So watch on.